Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the edge panels, color, and transparency on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on displayed. Next, swipe up to go down and tap on edge panels. In here, tap on handle, and then if you want to change the color, simply select a color that you want to change to. Then for transparency, you can drag on the slider bar to the left to reduce or increase the transparency of the handle. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.